Akiaria hindi ya mucemanio wa Onjoria kuuma mwena wa Machakos aria mari rungu rwa kiama kia Chamber of Commerce, uria wari senator wa Machakos Johnston Muthama ni augite mitaratara ya wonjoria iria ihagikitwo ni thirikari ni irahinyiriria mbeu njithi kuona matingiambiriria mawira.
We don't improve the lives of these people in their businesses. Hakuna njia wataandika watu. Ile sababu nimekupatia hapa haitawezekana. But if they are supported, ngati wewe unajua sasa, because you know you can work, you know how many people you have employed. Imagine now if your colleague there takes another 50, then another one there 50, then another one there 50. Na kaunti ya Machakos kama ile pesa inakuja sasa, kama wangefungua mikono hapa, serikali ya kaunti iseme pesa ya watu wa Machakos ni kufanyia Machakos, labda we will be now one of the best counties that have created employment over.
Ihinda-ini uriu Muthama agiukirira gavana aria marenda kwambiriria mabengi kaunti-ini ciao, akiuga magirirwo kugacirithia mitaratara iria iranyita mbaru Onjoria kiumbe nigetha mahote guthondeka mawira. Mutongoria wa gikundi giki guku bururi-ini Kipruto Kitoni akiuga ni kurabatarania unyitaniri gatagati ga thirikari na Onjoria kiumbe niguo kugacirithia uthii wa na mbere.
In respect of what we are doing here in Machakos, let us make a declaration called the Machakos Declaration that the chamber will stand united even after the elections.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, getwo Wangici wa Ndirangu.